Superstition. Belief in something that is not based on reason or science. Example: the superstition says breaking a mirror brings bad luck. Evil eye. A look believed to bring bad luck. Example: she was afraid someone might give her the evil eye. Uncouth. Not having good manners. Example: his uncouth behavior embarrassed everyone at dinner. Witchcraft. The practice of using magical powers, often thought to be harmful or evil. Example: people in the old days were afraid of witchcraft. Ingrate. A person who is ungrateful. Example: after all I did for him, he acted like an ingrate and didn't even thank me. Notoriety. Fame for something bad. Example: the criminal gained notoriety for his daring escapes. Persecute. To treat someone badly, especially because of their beliefs. Example: they were persecuted for their religion. Stampede. A sudden, wild rush of animals or people, usually because they are scared. Example: the crowd stampeded toward the exit when they heard the fire alarm. Swamp. A wet and muddy area, or to overwhelm someone with work or problems. Example: place the explorers were careful not to get lost in the swamp. Example: work she was swamped with assignments and barely had time to eat. Wretched. In a very bad or sad condition, feeling very uncomfortable or unhappy. Example: the refugees lived in wretched conditions with little food or shelter. Agony. Intense pain, whether physical or emotional. Example: she was in agony after losing her job and her house in the same week. Facetious. Making jokes about serious problems or laughing at the wrong time. Example: when asked about his tardiness, he gave a facetious reply, saying he traveled through time. Derogate. To insult or criticize someone in a way that lowers their value or reputation. Example: you shouldn't derogate others just because they think differently from you.